Hey guys, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever thought about dyeing your hair from jet black to ash blonde? Or the thought just scares you? Well, look no further. I have the answer. So just check this video out. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now you need to go ahead and get some toners, the T18, some 20 volume developer or developers that you have. I was going to use this dye, but I decided not to, which is the Revlon dye. And you need a mixing bowl, some gloves, and purple shampoo and conditioner. So I went ahead, poured the contents into the mixing bowl, and for every bottle of Wella Toner, I use the same bottle that I poured the Wella Toner from to measure the 20 volume developer. So for one bottle of toner, it's 2 bottles of developer. So I went ahead, poured that into the mixing bowl, mixed it until the contents were no longer separated. So I just mixed them together and then add them to the unit. Now I didn't show how I bleached the hair because it was black. So when you bleach the hair, it has this golden or orange color that's called brassiness, and we want to get rid of that. So that's why we are going to be toning the unit. So I'm going to go ahead and add the toner to the unit. So I was using the brush, then I got fed up and started using my hands because that makes me go a lot faster. So I'm just gonna go ahead, add it to the unit and let it sit for about 20 minutes before rinsing it out. After the 20 minutes, this is how you want your units to look. All that yellowness, orangeness is gone, and now it looks ashy. And look how good that looks. Now I'm going to go in with the Shimmer Lights and the Iron Purple Shampoo. So a lot of persons just use the purple shampoo and the purple conditioner instead of the toner. But with toner, it's like a one-time thing. But with the purple shampoo and conditioner, you have to do it like continuously. So you have to do it like weekly as soon as your color is fading. And this just, using it just makes the hair more, it tones the hair more, and the toner leaves the hair feeling so soft. It doesn't damage it or anything. I went to the final step, which is adding my Tresemme Moisture Rich Conditioner. I'm going to go ahead, let it sit on it for a bit before detangling and rinsing it out. So I'll see you when my unit is all done. And look at those highlights and lowlights. Girl, don't play with me. Don't play with me. I said, look at those. It looks so luxurious. Yummy. Yummy in my tummy. Baby, I'm in love. This is my first time, and yeah, I think it's perfect. Voila. Look at the unit, and it's not even styled yet. So, girl, let's take a moment of silence. And yes, this is it. I'm gonna go ahead, cut it a little bit, style it, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. And this is my unit all styled and ready, and I really like the turnout. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend, tell another friend, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss another upload. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.